Looking for an electric scooter that will completely level up your ride? You're in the right place. In this video, we're checking out the top 5 best and most powerful electric scooters of 2025. Which one fits your needs? What features truly make a difference? All the answers are right here. Are you ready to take your commute to the next level? Number 5. Xiaomi 4 Ultra. Looking for a scooter that combines speed, comfort, and durability for city rides? Well, Xiaomi has finally stepped up with a model that won't disappoint, even the pickiest riders. Until now, Xiaomi had been leaning toward more powerful models with top-tier features. But this time, they've nailed the perfect balance for urban commuting. It may not have premium components across the board, but when it comes to performance and price, it's easily one of the best choices out there. And guess what? It's going head-to-head with the Segway 9bot Max G2, one of the strongest contenders on the market. This scooter is built to glide effortlessly through the city. With a smooth ride, solid battery life, and a sturdy design, it's perfect for commuting, running errands, or just cruising around town. But is it really worth buying? Number 4. VSETT 10 Plus. Speed, safety, and comfort, all in one. Imagine this. What if every ride you took was a perfect mix of speed, safety, and comfort? With the VSETT 10 Plus, that dream becomes a reality. This electric scooter is designed to make every trip through the city an exciting adventure. You can zoom through at 80 kilometers per hour, and with the strong braking system, you've got full control at all times. Whether you're cruising on smooth roads or tackling bumpy ones, the air-filled tires and suspension system keep your ride smooth and comfortable. Rainy day, muddy streets, no problem. With its water resistance, you can ride confidently in any weather. And for those longer trips, VSETT 10 Plus has you covered with up to 115 kilometers of range on a single charge, so you won't have to worry about running out of juice. Whether you're all about speed, safety, or comfort, the VSETT 10 Plus is the perfect scooter for you. It's not just about getting from point A to point B, it's about making every ride an experience. Number 3. Solar Hyperion. Can you imagine a vehicle that moves purely on sunlight? The Solar Hyperion offers an extraordinary technology that gives you limitless freedom without harming nature. No fossil fuels, no dirty emissions. The Solar Hyperion runs entirely on solar power, letting you travel without hurting the environment. Every trip is friendly, not only to nature, but also to your wallet. Unlike traditional fuels, this vehicle minimizes energy costs. Just picture this: your car is powered by sunlight, offering both long-range and fast-charging capabilities. It's both practical and eco-friendly. The Solar Hyperion stands out among electric vehicles. Equipped with the latest technology, this car makes every journey more exciting and sustainable. Feel the power of the sun behind you with the Solar Hyperion, turning every trip into an adventure. Step into a sustainable journey towards the future now. Number 2. Teverun Fighter 11 Plus. Imagine this. You're cruising at 85 kilometers per hour with the wind at your back, feeling completely free. The Teverun Fighter 11 Plus is an electric scooter that will have you soaring through the city or tackling tough terrain with ease. With its powerful motor and long range, every ride becomes quicker and more enjoyable. Whether you're cruising on smooth roads or conquering dirt paths, this scooter adapts to every moment. But it's not just about speed and performance. Safety is key with the Teverun Fighter 11 Plus. Its hydraulic braking system ensures you can stop confidently, even at high speeds, while the wide tires give you control in any situation. And when riding at night, the LED headlights keep you visible and safe. All in all, the Teverun Fighter 11 Plus offers a perfect mix of speed, safety, and comfort, turning every ride into an adventure. Number 1. Teverun Fighter 11 Plus. Imagine an electric scooter so powerful it makes the asphalt tremble, one that leaves the wind behind as it accelerates and strikes fear into its rivals. Meet the Kaabo Wolf King. This isn't just any electric scooter, it's a beast. If you want to dominate city streets or conquer rough terrain, this is exactly what you need. Kaabo took the legendary Wolf Warrior 11 and made it even more insane. More voltage, more power, bigger brakes. In other words, more of everything. The Wolf King is built for pure performance. It reaches insane speeds and never lets you down, even on steep hills. Its solid frame and ultra-durable suspension can handle any terrain you throw at it. So what sets it apart from the competition? The answer is simple. It's the true king of the streets. While other scooters struggle to keep up, the Wolf King owns the road. If you love pushing the limits, this one's for you.